Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you this angle grinder. Here you can see that, and I will show you power of this power station. Now let's operate this angle grinder. Here you can see the voltage of this power station, and its angle grinder operate on this power station. Friend, making of this power station video available on my channel, must check out after watching this video. So that's all about from my this video. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Also press bell icon to receive my next project notification. Have a great day.